Completed in 1993, the Colne Barrier was constructed to protect the city of Colchester from tide surges. Spanning the river between the villages of Wivenhoe and Rowhedge, it is expected that the barrier will need to be used around 4 times a year. The area beyond the barrier is very low lying, and there was a danger that important habitats could also be lost during very high tides. There are 2 gate piers that each house a gate similar to those found on canal locks. Wivenhoe Sailing Club was relocated so the barrier did not impede on their events that are held throughout the year. The barrier is 130 metres wide with a navigational opening of 30 metres. Although the barrier does have sluice gates, the narrow opening can cause increased tidal flow at certain times, making it more difficult for smaller craft. It is estimated that the construction cost was £14.5 million. Thank you for watching.